I'm going to be combining support and resistance and reversal candlestick patterns to create a high probability strategy. And I'm going to be identifying area of support and area of resistance in the market and confirming it with a reversal candlestick pattern to find an entry level in the market. I'm also going to be sharing with you the candle time frame I'm going to be using, the expiration time I'm going to be using as well, the candle type I'm also going to be choosing with this strategy. Everything I'm going to be sharing with you right here on this video. So if at the end of this video you're able to find value, do ensure you subscribe to this channel, hit notification bell so you miss any of our amazing videos. So first and foremost, I'll have to explain what support and resistance is all about, and also how to identify a reversal candlestick patterns. Support and a resistance level, these are areas in the market at which the market reverses from. So if the market is reversing from the upper side of the market, we call that area a resistance point. And if the market is reversing from the lower part of the market, we call that a support level. So right at this point, let's take for example the market move to a point A, come back to a point B, and reverse from the point B back to point A. So this area right here is called the support zone, while this point A zone is called the resistance zone. So what we'll look out for is that whenever the market is reversing back from this area, it tends to have this idea that okay, the market might actually move down to this point, because once it moves from this initial point, it's able to move back to this particular level. So what I will have to be looking out for is a reversal candlestick pattern right at this point. So once I'm able to get that, then I can actually find an entry level towards the downside direction. And whenever the market is moving from the support zone, I also have to find a reversal candlestick pattern to serve as a confirmation. And once I'm able to get that, then I can be able to go for an upside direction. So this is how I'm able to identify area of support and resistance level in the market using a reversal candlestick patterns as a confirmation. So right here I'm going to be using the Heikin Ashi candlestick. I'm going to be using the Heikin Ashi candlestick, and I'm going to be setting it on 1 minute candle time frame, and I'll be using 2 minute expiration time. So right here I'm finding an opportunity. So right at this point, this is the support zone right at this level. So the market rejects multiple times right at this point, which make it a valid support zone. And also this is the resistance level. So that is to say, this is where I'm expecting the market to get to right at this point. So right here, this is a morning star right at this point. This is a reversal candlestick pattern, which also serves as a confirmation for my entry level. So another thing I also put into consideration is that once I'm able to see an area of support and resistance level where the market is reversing from, I also have to see a clear reversal patterns right here, and it has to be a stronger candlestick to confirm an entry level. So right here I make my first win. So right here I'm finding an opportunity. going for an up opportunity. So right here, this is a support zone, and this might be a resistance zone right here. That is to say, the market might actually move to this particular point. Alright, at this point, I make another win. So right here, I'm also finding another opportunity. So here's the first move to the resistance level. The market bounced back to this point. So it will be valid to be called a support level if there is a valid rejection of the market towards an upside direction. So right here, I'm seeing the formation of a morning star right here. So once I'm able to confirm it with a stronger candlestick, with a stronger bullish candlestick, then I can be able to go for an up position. So right here, I think I'm getting a confirmation for an upside direction. So I have to wait for the next candlestick to confirm the move if I can actually go for it. So right here, I can go for so once I'm able to see a reversal candlestick patterns, I don't just go. I also have to see another confirmation of a candlestick. It has to be a stronger candlestick to give me a full confirmation into the market. So right here, I have 1 minute and 31 seconds to go. And right at this point, I also make another win. So basically, the market might still move to this particular direction or might reject from this point because this might be a key zone right at this point. So right here, I'm finding another opportunity. So right here, this is a resistance level. And right at this point, this is a reversal candlestick pattern right here. So I really want it to be a stronger candlestick to confirm my entry level, because right here I'm finding more of like a pin bar right at this point. So I need a more strong and stable candlestick just like this to confirm my entry level. So I don't just go into the market because I'm seeing a reversal. I also have to make sure I'm getting a stronger candlestick. So right here I have 1 minute and 23 seconds to go. So right here I also make another win. This is where I'm going to stop in this video. If you find value on this content, don't ensure you subscribe to this channel, hit notification bell, make sure you let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video.